Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Welcome dear students, I am Mr. Abhijit. Welcome to my channel Chemistry Learners. In this lecture we will see MCQs on properties and introduction of alkanes. For prerequisites, you must go through the video lecture that I have already posted on my channel, that is properties and introduction of alkanes. So let us see what are the different MCQs. So in this lecture we will see 10 different MCQs on 10 different properties and introductions of the alkanes. So this is the first question. As carbon chain increases in alkanes, the melting point and boiling point, the options are increases, decreases, remains same, and the chain does not affect melting point or boiling point. So the correct answer is nothing but the increases. So why this is so? Because as carbon chain increases, surface area also increases, and therefore melting point or boiling point also increases. Let us see the example. Boiling point of ethane. So this is C2H6. Its boiling point is 184.4 degree Kelvin, and the boiling point of propane, the formula is C3H8, is 230.8 degree Kelvin. You see the carbon chain, as this number of carbon here increases, the melting point or boiling point is also increases. Let us see the next example. So in isomeric alkanes, branched alkanes have lower melting point or boiling point than straight chain alkanes. So this question is for the isomeric alkanes. If you consider the isomeric alkanes, branched alkanes have lower melting point or boiling point. So this statement is true. The explanation for this is the isomeric alkanes have same molecular formula. Branched alkanes have less surface area, and the straight chain alkanes have more surface area. That's why the branched alkanes, because of lower surface area, have lower melting point or boiling point. Let us see the example of N-pentane and isopentane. Suppose this is the formula of N-pentane, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. This is N-pentane. Its boiling point is 309.9 degree Kelvin. And if you see the isopentane, this is CH3CH, CH3, CH2, CH3. This is isopentane. So the boiling point of isopentane is 300.9 degree Kelvin. Okay, so this is the difference, because the surface area here in isopentane is less. That's why the alkanes which are branched have lower melting point or boiling point. Third question. Lower alkanes, that is the carbon number 1 to carbon number 4 alkanes, are liquids, gases, solids, or wax-like compounds. They are gases because of presence of van der Waals forces of attraction, which is also called as London forces, or they are also called as non-polar interactions. Because of this, these molecules are in gaseous state. Likewise, if you see the methane is a gas, but if you see N-hexane, okay, this is liquid at room temperature. That's why lower alkanes, the gases. This is the next question, that is, as alkanes are non-polar compounds, they are soluble in polar solvents, soluble in non-polar solvents, insoluble in non-polar solvents, cannot say. Because these alkanes are non-polar, where they are going to soluble. So the answer is they are soluble in non-polar solvents. As you know, this is the well-known statement or well-known rule that like dissolves like, means polar dissolves polar and non-polar dissolves non-polar. Accordingly, non-polar alkanes are soluble in non-polar solvents. So the next question, alkanes are inert towards acids only, bases only, oxidizing agents only, reducing agents only, and all of the above. So the alkanes are inert towards all of the above because these alkanes have carbon hydrogen and carbon carbon sigma bond which is non-polar in nature. That's why they do not show any reaction towards the acids, bases, oxidizing agents and reducing agents. Okay. So let us see the next question. Solubility of alkanes decreases with decrease in molecular weight, increases with decrease in molecular weight, increases with increase in molecular weight, decreases with increase in molecular weight. For this the answer is D, that is decreases with increase in molecular weight. Why this is so? Because as atomic number increases, molecular weight also increases, therefore the solubility is decreases. Understand? If you see the solubility factor for suppose methanes are soluble in non-polar solvents like ethers. Okay, but as their molecular weight increases, like suppose wax, it is not completely soluble in ether. Okay, it is partially soluble because of increase in molecular weight, the solubility is decreases. The next question, that is the carbon-carbon bond angle in alkanes is 105 degree, 109 degree, 120 degree and D 109.28 degree. So it is 109.28. Why? Because the alkanes are the carbon-carbon single bonded compounds. They have 109 degree 28 minutes bond angle and the geometry is tetrahedral. Next question. Alkanes are also called as A, that is aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons, B, aromatic unsaturated hydrocarbons, C, aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons, D, aromatic unsaturated hydrocarbons. The alkenes are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbons. So what are the meaning of these words? Aliphatic means they contain simple long chain, branch chain compounds or cyclic hydrocarbons, and the saturated, that they contains carbon-carbon single bond. So if you consider the alkanes, they contain carbon-carbon single bonds. Next question. Carbon atoms in alkanes are hybridized. A, sp, B, sp2, C, sp3, D, sp2d. They are sp3 hybridized. If you see here, the sp3 hybridized carbon, they have tetrahedral geometry and the bond angle is 109 degree 28 minutes. Okay, so we'll see next example. And the last one, that is the general formula of alkanes is, it is CnH2n plus 1, B CnH2n plus 2, C CnH2n, D CnH2n minus 2. So the answer is CnH2n plus 2. If you see the general formula of alkanes or the examples of alkanes, so this is CH4, that is methane, and C2H6, that is ethane. So if you apply the formula for this CH4, okay, this is C1H1. So this is C1H2 into 1 plus 2. It becomes CH4. Okay. So this is the general formula of alkanes. So with this, we conclude this session. Thank you. If you have any doubts, please post in comment section. For further information on these MCQs or the notes, please refer the description where I have given my website. Thank you.